I bet you didn't know the secrets behind Psora, Sycosis, and Syphilis. Welcome to Cure Homoeocare and Immunology Research Center. Today, we will explore Miasm A to Z, a complete video, starting from the basics of Psora, Sycosis, Syphilis, to modern-day interpretations. What is the meaning of the word miasm? Simply put, it's a fundamental cause behind chronic diseases. Dr. Hahnemann first introduced this concept in his book, The Chronic Diseases. Miasm is not just a theory, it's the backbone of chronic prescribing in homeopathy. Think of it like, Psora is the itch beneath all discomfort, Sycosis is the overgrowth, and Syphilis is destruction. Let's break down the original triad. Psora, first and fundamental miasm, signs irritation, itching, hypersensitivity, emotionally anxiety, fear of poverty, insecurity, physical signs, dry skin, constipation, allergies. Sycosis, overgrowth or excess, warts, tumors, thick discharges, emotionally secretive, suspicious, guilt-ridden, common medicines, puja, madorinum. Syphilis, destruction, decay, deformity, bone pains, ulcers, suicidal tendency, medicines, mercurius, aurum, syphilinum. Later homeopaths like Kent, Allen, and Burnett added two more ideas. Tubercular miasm. It's a mix of Psora and Syphilis. Rapid, destructive, restless. For example, imagine a patient with TB-like symptoms but also experiencing emotional instability. Cancer miasm, as described by Patterson, is a mixture of psychosis and syphilis. It manifests as desperate, perfectionist, and suppressed grief. This miasm is quite common in today's fast-paced, repressed society. Let's revise with a fun mnemonic-based A to Z of miasm. This will help you remember key characteristics. A. Anxiety, Psora. B. Bleeding, Syphilis. Cysts and condylomata. D. Destruction, Syphilis. E. F. Fear of disease, Psora. T. Tumors, hot. Z. Zero hope feeling, Syphilis. A real homeopath sees beyond symptoms. Miasm helps us understand why the patient is sick. Example, joint pain in Psora equals better by movement. In syphilitic equals worse at night, destructive. In psychotic equals swelling and suppression. Today, we relate miasm with genetics, inherited tendency, epigenetics, suppressed emotion disease, immunity, hyper or hypofunction, psychosomatic disorders. Hello everyone. Today we will see how to easily identify miasm in a patient. The physical and mental symptoms of the patient must be observed very carefully. If the patient has psoric miasm, symptoms like itching, burning, hypersensitivity, and mental signs such as anxiety and insecurity may be observed. If the patient has psychotic miasm, symptoms like warts, tumor-like overgrowths, and mental signs such as secrecy and guilt may be observed. If the patient has syphilitic miasm, destructive symptoms like ulcers, bone pain, etc., and mental signs such as depression and suicidal tendencies may be observed. Now, from the perspective of modern science, miasms can be related to genetics, epigenetics, and psychosomatic diseases. This helps in better understanding the condition of the patient. So, next time you case take, don't forget to dig deep into the miasm. It's not just history, it's the map of the future of your patient. If you like this video, like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to Cure Homoeocare and Immunology Research Center. Comment below your favorite miasm remedy.